Atkins Civil 3D video series, reference water, data reference water objects. This video illustrates update the project base drawing, A. Default settings for deref of water objects, B. Create deref of water network objects. The seawater service, EX water, and EX water service objects are derefed into the project base drawing, which in turn are automatically shown on the other category improvement drawings. The EX water service, EX water demo, and EX water service demo objects are derefed into the demolition drawing. The data shortcut for the water objects need to be created in the water improvement source drawing prior to being derefed into other drawings. Water DF default settings are initially set for seawater objects. Tool space, settings, right-click the drawing name, edit drawing settings, object layers. Appurtenance and appurtenance labeling are both seawater. Fitting and fitting labeling are also seawater. Pressure network, pressure part profile, pressure part table, pressure pipe, and pressure pipe labeling are seawater. Okay. Right-click profile, edit feature settings, default styles, profile label set, profile no label set, profile style, profile data reference. Okay. The Civil 3D objects in a deref drawing need to be more subdued than in the source drawing in which they were created. LA enter to open the layer manager. The layer colors for deref seawater are shown to be in the 150s, which are shaded or ghosted. EX water layer colors are also in the 150s. The layer colors for derefed objects need to be modified prior to being derefed into a drawing. It is difficult to modify the layer color after it has been derefed. Create deref of seawater objects, prospector, data shortcuts, expand pressure networks, right-click seawater, create reference. Source seawater, network name seawater, parts lists, seawater push-on, layers, seawater, okay. Override reference service, none. Override reference alignment, none. Include source labels, none. Pressure pipe, none. Fitting label, none. Appurtenance label, none. Okay. The seawater pipe network is displayed in plan view. The object layer defaults have been set for seawater service. Create deref of seawater service objects. Prospector, right-click seawater service, create reference. Pressure network, seawater service. Network name, seawater service. Parts list, seawater service. Layers, seawater service. Okay. Override none. Label styles none. Okay. The seawater service pipe network is displayed in plan view. The object layer defaults have been set for EX water, which is also used for EX water post demo. Prospector, data shortcuts, right-click EX water post demo, create reference. Pressure network, EX water post demo, network name, EX water post demo, parts list, EX water push on, layers, EX water, okay. Overrides none. Include source labels, none, okay. The existing water network has been added to the drawing and is displayed in plan view. The object layer defaults have been set for EX water service, which is also used for EX water service post demo. Prospector, data shortcuts, right-click EX water service post demo, create reference. Pressure network, EX water service post demo, network name, EX water service post demo, parts list, EX water service, layers, EX water service, okay. Override none, labels none, okay. The EX Water Service Post Demo Network has been added to the drawing and is displayed in plan view. Draw seawater parts in profile. Water services are not drawn in profile view. LA enter to open a layer manager. Turn all layers off. Visibility off. Turn on layers C align, seawater, seawater fitting, C3D profile view and its sublayers, and existing topo, existing road names. Close layer manager. View, create two horizontal viewport, plan on top and profile on bottom. Select pipes, valves, and fittings to be displayed in a single profile view. Move cursor and right-click. Draw parts in profile view. Pick the appropriate profile view. Repeat for all seawater parts. Draw existing water post demo parts in profile. LA enter. To open layer manager. Turn off seawater and seawater fitting layer. Turn on EX water and EX water fitting layer. And close layer manager. Select EX Water Post Demo, pipe, valves, and fittings to be displayed in a single profile view. Move cursor and right-click. Draw parts in profile view. Pick the appropriate profile view. Repeat for all existing Water Post Demo parts. This video is a part of the Civil 3D video series created by Gerald Atkins of Atkins Engineering. Visit www.atkengr.com for instruction manuals, tutorial drawings, template drawings, and Civil 3D videos.